we are going to measure these materials with the help of handspan. This is handspan. We measuring like this is a handspan, and with the help of fingers we are measuring, that is called as a fingers. 4 fingers, 2 fingers. Okay, understood? Are you ready?
Okay, miss.
Okay, come on, measure this book. You measure. 1 handspan. No. You put your fingers. Okay, 4. 4. 2, 6. Then okay. 4, 4, 8. 1 handspan and 8 fingers. Tell. 1 handspan.
1 handspan
And 4 fingers.
4 fingers.
Okay. The length of this book is 1 handspan and 4 fingers. Okay. Shh. Don't make noise. Okay. Now you can measure, Nawaz, this bottle. Measure with this handspan. 1, 2. Okay. 2, and then put your fingers. Okay, 2 fingers. 2 handspan and 2 fingers. Come on, tell me. How many handspan?
2 fingers.
2 handspan and 2 fingers. The measurement of this bottle is 2 handspan. All of you tell. 2 handspan and 2 fingers. Come on. You measure this. Put. Measure it. Yes. Or yes. 1. No. First you have to put here. Okay. Then fingers. Okay. 1 handspan, then 4 fingers. The measurement of this geometry box is 1 handspan. Tell. 1 handspan
1 handspan
and 4 fingers.
and 4 fingers.
All of you understood this? Okay.